Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about a little bit regarding theme forest. WordPress, as I in my previous lecture that we are working in WordPress website. What is the WordPress website? Basically, WordPress is a platform where we can install themes and themes for different websites, and we can create our own website by using the themes. And WordPress is a different thing, but to upload theme from in the WordPress, first we have to purchase some themes from different sites. If you are going to the Google, I'm just going to the Google, and I'm just putting WordPress themes, you know. WordPress theme, there are so many websites working for the WordPress theme, and they are selling so many things. If we're discussing about the ads related things, this the theme forest is the top of the website. Similarly, there is the template monster also there. There is the Elementor one is there. Similarly, the topmost, that is the WordPress theme forest, that is best site to purchase themes. I'm just going to the theme forest, and basically this is a very precise and complete website. If you want to purchase any template, any website design, you can purchase from there. And after purchasing, you have to configure that theme according to your requirement. Let's say I'm just checking all items: popular files, featured files, and WordPress. This is the main thing which I need to discuss, explore today. I'm just going to the WordPress, and there are so many categories are there. Magazine category, buddy press, corporate, creative, directory listing, e-commerce, education, elementary. There are so other websites, so many other websites. Just I'm going to real estate section. Let's say there are so many templates, predefined websites is the websites are there, and you can check design and feature of the website. And as see, and if you are planning to purchase WordPress theme, first of all you have to see different features, and see here stars as well. This site also matters. This is 1.1k stars are there. Then sale, how many sales? 19.5k sales for this theme. And similarly for this theme I have 14.5k sales for this one, but stars are 5 stars. Okay. And I selected this website. I'm just gonna pressing the preview button. Then we will see there are different features of the website template. I'm just going to the demo button. See, there are so many. Into one template we have so many options there. See, so many options we can select, and either one design you can choose. Under one you can choose different design. Let's say there is a one design like this one, and in this design you will see there are so many features. See how this website is, showing categories and property, how properties are listing. This is one category only, real estate. See, in this way they are putting their properties. Load more. See, if I'm loading more, then I'm getting more information. Load more. See, in this way. So this design is perfect for me, and I selected this design. Now I'm going to the how to purchase this WordPress theme, because I'm just going to the this purchase category, and here you have to check regular support, or you want to extend your support as well. Select a license type is regular or extended at ultimately is price is higher, and I'm just regular price going to 59, and 6 month support or 12 month. If you are gonna 12 month, then price is this one. I'm just selecting 6 month support. Then regular, you can check also regular here. I'm just pressing the add to cart button. Now it's is adding this product into the cart, and I think it's added now. If you want to extend this support, you can extend the support. Now just I'm going to the cart. Now cart is selected and one item I think is there. No, I'm planning to purchase. I'm just going to the my cart, already added one item. Okay, if you want to extend this support, you can put this, otherwise same as it is. I'm secure checkout, then put your full name, as I'm putting my name as mentioned in the, because I'm planning to purchase through credit card or PayPal. Both options are there. I agree, then I agree, then clicking next button. Create account, no, this is basically create account option. I already have sign in, my account already is there. I'm just going to sign there. Now I'm in my account now, and I'm just putting the basic information what are necessarily. Okay, then save and continue. Total amount is $59 I have to pay. There are so many options: PayPal, Skrill, and credit card. I have MasterCard. I'm just putting some basic information. Then after this we will see how to purchase this item. 19707059. Then I'm putting another information. These are the basic information which we have to put in the online transaction. Okay, now make payment, that is it becomes $61. Handling fees also $2. So payment is complete, and install or download. I'm just clicking on download button. This is downloading WordPress theme. Do you need hosting? So in this way I purchase WordPress theme from themeforest.net, and I will use this theme in my main website. So in my next lecture, you will see how we can import this theme accordingly. And I'm just going to the download button, my download. Okay, just wait. Yes, there is a one folder, and in this folder I have zip file. Okay, I will use this zip file to upload the content of the WordPress theme. So thank you so much watching this video, that how we can purchase WordPress theme from themeforest.net, and after this how we can import this theme into our cPanel, and how we can work on this theme. Thank you so much watching this video. Hope these information are helpful for you. I'm just requesting, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel Abdul Fanzone, that day by day I'm putting some informative movie for my viewers, and I need your support to improve my this YouTube channel. Thank you so much watching this video. Allah Hafiz.